For this project, you'll need turmeric, baking soda, a glass, a skewer, some water, and some paper. First, mix about 1/4 cup of baking soda with about 1/2 cup of water. This is a ratio of 2 to 1. Try stir in as much of the baking soda into the water as you can. Our invisible ink solution is now finished. You can start writing on a piece of paper. A skewer or an icy pole stick makes a fantastic stylus for writing on the paper. You're going to need to leave the piece of paper somewhere to dry. It might take a couple of hours for it to dry properly. Now to reveal our invisible ink, we're going to mix some turmeric with some water. Use about a teaspoon or a tablespoon of turmeric and about 1 cup of water. Mix it thoroughly. Now using some paper towel, put it into the turmeric solution and then dab it on the piece of paper. Try not to get too much onto the piece of paper and try not to rub the invisible ink off. You should see the message start to appear. If it hasn't dried fully, it'll start looking a bit like this one. Not great. This one turned out a lot better, but you couldn't see it very well under the lighting. If you don't have paper towel, you can use your finger if you're gentle. This one turned out pretty well. There you go. You've now made invisible ink and revealed it.